Hello everybody and welcome to Introduction to Geometry Nodes, the course that takes you from not knowing geometry nodes to knowing it very well. I'm not gonna assume you know anything from the get-go, which is probably what you want, and I'm not a fan of wasting your time, so quick description. My name is Tom, you might know me as CGMatter or Default Cube. These are tutorial channels where I've been teaching geometry nodes for years. All the clips you're about to see, I worked at Mayor Studios doing just geometry nodes, some effects, some snow, some particle stuff, and that is the extent of it. And every single bit of freelance I've ever done has involved geometry nodes. It is the most powerful tool in Blender, and it's only getting more powerful, so it is essential that you know how to use it. Literally, the only two prerequisites I would like you to have before starting this course is one, I'm going to be using Blender 4.5, as you can see in the corner here. This is the latest version as of recording, and geometry nodes tends to have a kind of a history or a trend of adding features and pretty much never taking any away. So I expect this course to be valid and up to date in a sense for a long time. If you use a older version of Blender like 4.4 or 4.3, there's a slight chance you're missing a node or a feature that I'm going to talk about. So use 4.5 if you're watching now, use 4 point whatever or 5 point whatever if you're watching in the future. It's still going to be applicable. The only other prerequisite I would like you to have is ideally you watch this course on a desktop computer. This doesn't just let you follow along, but what I really mean is it has a big screen. I want you to watch this on a big screen, not a phone, because it makes it easier to see what I'm doing, because nodes tend to be kind of small unless we really zoom in, which sometimes we'll do, and I can add more and more nodes, and the more that I add, in a sense, the more I have to zoom out. So I would highly recommend watching on a big screen. You could throw it on your living room or just follow along on your computer. I guess let's just get into it with chapter 1 coming up.